I see little bitches pulling my socks up.
Oh, really? Good job.
Good boys. Good boys.
Like a granny. I can't get it around this.
Pull daddy's socks up. Does it look good?
Looks amazing.
He's earned himself a go on daddy's toys. Nice. Oh, that was nice. Whoa.
Oh no.
Oh mate, have you seen? You're fucking paying for that.
Fuck,
Fucking idiot.
Go.
Where? Where?
There. Give your leg. Oh,
Ow! Fuck! Where? Wait, where is it?
Oh fuck it! I'm turning the controller.
Where is it? Where is it?
Look, can you see the blue through the head? Oh my leg.
Oh yeah, you can get that, can't you? Yeah, that's gettable. Get it.
No! Let's get you a boat pole so you can hook it.
Right, let's just keep it indoors while you learn.
It's like a dead fly.
You're not very good. It's caught under there, man. You got to pick it up. Hovering nicely. Try and fly it over to me.
I'm trying. It doesn't go. Get away.
In his face, go on.
I felt the air go past my head.
Stop.
Really hard to judge that.
Good lift off. Try the flip. Put it up further, man. Alright, attempting to do tyres, arms down at the side. See then? Mate, that's slow as hell. Let's get some speed about you.
Get out of the way, I'll go for a full-blown sprint.
You're gonna go for a sprint. Whoa!
Get your filthy mutts off my mobile device.
First throw, let me get it on cam.
First time.
Oh, come on. Joey, first time.
Down.
Nice sandwich.
Okay.
You don't even know what key it is. Fire! I missed. Ooh.
Nice ball.
Focus.
The first two were diverted to more serious cases.
Nice spot. Ooh.
The patient, Jean, and her daughter waiting to
Oh!